Check out what we just received. We've got the Hogwarts Express from Harry Potter World, of course. This is the collector's edition, 5,100, over 5,100 pieces, Lego pieces, because we are about to build the Hogwarts Express, the track, and the train station. Check it out in the back. This is what it will ultimately look like. Batteries are included as well because this thing also needs batteries, and you'll have to figure that out for yourself because this thing is a complete collector's item. It will measure over 46 inches in length once it's completely done. It's got all these characters, all this stuff that's inside, all the intricate details. They are not missing a single beat with this one. It is a big set for 18 and over. So this is an adult set. I don't think kids would really be able to do this because this is for the collector in you, for someone that's really grown up with Harry Potter and just wants a piece that, I mean, not a lot of people have a piece like this. So this is going to be fun.